Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change password for secure folder on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. So, we have our secure folder right here, and currently I have a PIN and I have to input one in order to actually unlock it. But what if I would want to change it? Well, you click three dots here. Then you go to settings and you click the very first option, lock type. Here you have to input your password once again. And now we can simply change it to something else. For me it will be pattern, and I will input a nice looking L here. And now if we want to leave it and check, you can see that my password has been successfully changed. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.